This is a China Eastern Airlines aircraft model. China Eastern Airlines Corporation Limited, also known as China Eastern, is an airline headquartered in the China Eastern Airlines building, on the grounds of Shanghai Hongqiao International Airport in Chongqing District, Shanghai. It is one of the big three airlines, alongside Air China and China Southern Airlines, of the People's Republic of China, operating international, domestic and regional routes. Its main hubs are at Shanghai Pudong International Airport and Shanghai Hongqiao International Airport. China Eastern Airlines is China's second largest carrier by passenger numbers after China Southern Airlines. China Eastern and its subsidiary Shanghai Airlines became the 14th member of SkyTeam on June 21, 2011. The parent company of China Eastern Airlines Corporation Limited is China Eastern Air Holding Company. China Eastern Airlines was established on June 25, 1988 under the Civil Aviation Administration of China Huadong Administration. In 1997, China Eastern took over the unprofitable China General Aviation and also became the country's first airline to offer shares on the international market. In 1998 it founded China Cargo Airlines in a joint venture with COSCO. In March 2001, it completed the takeover of Great Wall Airlines. China Yunnan Airlines and China Northwest Airlines merged into China Eastern Airlines in 2003. The company slogan is "World-class hospitality with Eastern charm." Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook pages.